Today on our Dear Claire series, we're getting out from behind the desk and we're talking about fireplaces or chimneys, as it were. So, two things you need to know. If you are burning wood, that burns a lot dirtier, so you want to make sure you have somebody come and clean it often. That's probably about once a year. Of course, that depends on how often you use it. If you use it once on Thanksgiving and once on your birthday, then probably not necessary. But if you're using it on the regular, I'd say probably once a month. You need to clean it yearly. If your property has a gas insert, that could be those flame logs, or I've even seen gas inserts with just the gas line with flames coming out of it. Those actually burn really clean, so you probably need to have somebody come service it maybe once every 2-3 years, and that's even if you're using it like daily or weekly. It's totally fine. So again, wood, dirty, more often clean it. Gas, cleaner, don't need to clean it as often. That being said, there's also inspections of your chimney that you can check out. There are type 1 and 2 chimney inspections, so there's all kinds of stuff that you can check on if you especially are buying a property first. You might want to have it checked out, especially if it's an old home. So we'll see you next week. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye.